Ever wondered about financing a solar system installation? It's not as daunting as it seems. Let's quickly dive into your options: outright purchase, solar leases, power purchase agreements, and solar loans. First, outright purchase is an investment that pays off over time. You buy it, you own it, and all the savings go directly into your pocket. Solar leases are like renting your solar power system from a third-party company. You pay a fixed monthly fee and start saving on your electricity bills immediately. Next, power purchase agreements or PPAs. Here, a third party owns and maintains your solar system, and you pay for the electricity generated, often at lower rates than local utilities. Lastly, solar loans are like home improvement loans. You borrow money, buy the system, and repay over time. The bonus? You own the system and can enjoy associated tax credits and incentives. So, to recap, outright purchase, solar leases, PPAs, and solar loans are your main options. Your financial situation and energy needs will guide your choice. Remember, going solar isn't just eco-friendly, it's also a smart financial move. Choose wisely and shine bright. Perhaps you're wondering where to begin. Well, if you're based in Cape Town, First Energy Solar Installers is a great place to start. They specialize in solar financing and can guide you through all the options we've discussed today. Whether you're considering an outright purchase, a solar lease, a PPA, or a solar loan, their team is equipped to provide personalized solutions to suit your needs. So why wait? Get in touch with them today and let your journey towards a sustainable future begin.